Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 40 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Connected Devices and tap on Pair New Device. After that, wait for available ones to show up and click on the chosen one. In this pop-up over here, you need to select Pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you can do that by clicking on this gear icon next to chosen device, tapping on Forget, and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!